Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging and important MCQs to sharpen your knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQ is the filtrable agent were first purified in 1935 when Stanley was successful in crystallizing the dye. A. Poliovirus, B. Tobacco mosaic virus, C. Hepatitis virus, and D. Influenza virus. So the correct option is B. Tobacco mosaic virus. The next MCQ is tobacco mosaic virus was discovered by B. Posture and D. Evansky. So the correct option is C. Evansky. The next MCQ is viruses cannot replicate in A. Blood plasma, B. Skin cell, C. A. Plant cell, and D. Hepatocytes. So the correct option is A. Blood plasma. The next MCQ is members of which of the following group are all parasites? A. Viruses, B. Fungi, C. Bacteria, and D. Protozoa. So the correct option is A. Viruses. The next MCQ is volume of bacterial page is about dash of host. A. 1 over 10, B. 1 over 100 times, C. 1 over 100, and D. 1 over 1000. So the correct option is D. The next MCQ is it is true for viruses. A. Viruses contain either DNA and RNA. B. Viruses are non-cellular. C. No independent metabolic activities. C. D. Tiny and infectious agents. So the correct option is C. No independent metabolic activities. The next MCQ is viruses cannot be grown in an artificial culture media because they are A. facultative parasites, B. endoparasites, C. obligate intracellular parasites, and D. ectoparasites. So the correct option is C. obligate intracellular parasites. The next MCQ is cilia and flagella are absent in A. viruses, B. lower plants, C. bacteria, and D. lower animals. So the correct option is A. Viruses. The next MCQ is virus can only survive and reproduce inside A. animal cell, B. bacterial cell, C. living cell, and D. non-living cell. So the correct option is C. living cell. The next MCQ is which one of the following is double-stranded viruses? A. Pox virus, B. Parvovirus, C. Reovirus, and D. Toga virus. So the correct option is A. Pox virus. The next MCQ is HIV is classified as A. bacteriophage, B. retrovirus, C. oncovirus, and D. isohedral virus. So the correct option is B. Retrovirus. The next MCQ is the genome of influenza virus is made up of A. single-stranded RNA, B. double-stranded DNA, C. single-stranded DNA, and D. double-stranded DNA. So the correct option is A. single-stranded RNA. The next MCQ is polioviruses are A. Tadpole shaped, B. Rod shaped viruses, C. Spherical viruses, and D. Spring like. So the correct option is C. Spherical viruses. The next MCQ is TMV are A. Tadpole shaped, B. Rod shaped viruses, C. Helical shaped, and D. Spherical shaped. So the correct option is B. Rod shaped virus. The next MCQ is which one is not RNA virus? A. Smallpox virus, B. Mumps and measles virus, C. Influenza virus, and D. polio virus. So the correct option is A. Smallpox virus. The next MCQ is which of the following is not composed of a nucleic acid? Virus, viron, C. Viride, and D. Pyron. So the correct option is C. Viride. The next MCQ is environ information is carried further through A. DNA, B. RNA, C. proteins, and D. glycoproteins. So the correct option is C. Proteins. The next MCQ is it is present in all viruses A. DNA, B. RNA, C. capsid, and D. envelope. So the correct option is C. Capsid. The next MCQ is the component responsible for determination of shape of virus is A. Type of nucleic acid, B. Protein subunit, C. Type of host, and D. Viral envelope. So the correct option is B. Protein subunit. The next MCQ is which of the following is not essential part of virus? A. Nucleic acid, B. Capsid, C. Envelope, and D. None of these. So the correct option is C. Envelope. The next MCQ is a viran is A virus, B capsid, C viral lysozyme, and D viral gene. So the correct option is A virus. The next MCQ is capsomers are present and capsid of herpes virus. A 152, B 162, C 252, and D 262. So the correct option is B 162. The next MCQ is the genome of most of the animal viruses contain A DNA, B protein, C RNA, and D both DNA and RNA. So the correct option is C RNA. The next MCQ is N virus is a combined structure formed by core nucleic acid and capsid is A nucleocapsid, B capsomers, C envelope, and D pyrons. So the correct option is A nucleocapsid. The next MCQ is capsid. The protective coat of a virus is made up of subunit known as capsomers that are attached in nature. A. Lipid, B. RNA, C. Protein, and D. DNA. So the correct option is C. Protein. The next MCQ is among following dash enzymes is naturally found in human immunodeficiency virus. A. DNA polymerase, B. Reverse transcriptase, C. RNA polymerase, and D. Ligase. So the correct option is B. Reverse transcriptase. The next MCQ is genome of virus is composed of A. DNA, B. RNA, C. A and B, and D protein. So the correct option is C. A and B. The next MCQ is which of the following is not related to enveloped virus? A. They survive for a short time. B. They are tolerant to antibodies. C. Their envelope is sensitive to sunlight. D. Envelope is derived from host. So the correct option is B. They are tolerant to antibodies. The next MCQ is the complete, mature, and infection virus particle is known as A. Genome, B. Viron, C. Genome, and D. Capsid. So the correct option is B. Viron. Thanks for joining me. I hope these NMDK MCQs help you sharpen your knowledge. Keep sharing us tutorial for more practice questions. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.